The US government just banned Claude Fable 5. And because Anthropic is a US company, it went dark for everyone, everywhere in the world. Fable 5 was Anthropic's most intelligent publicly available model. Anthropic builds one engine but ships it in two tiers. Fable 5, with safety guardrails, was available to everyone. Mythos 5, without guardrails, was restricted to approved organizations only. Both are now affected. Here's why the whole world loses access. Anthropic is headquartered in San Francisco. A US federal restriction means immediate global compliance, with no exceptions. No VPN gets around it. No alternative endpoint exists. No migration path has been offered. The model is simply gone. The impact hit immediately. Claude Code, the AI coding assistant used by millions of developers, stopped working. API keys across every platform are returning 403 forbidden errors. Enterprise customers on Amazon Bedrock, Google Vertex, and Team Plans, all affected. Millions of developers worldwide. Zero warning. What happens next is unclear. Anthropic has not issued a timeline for restoration. This is the first time a frontier AI model has been banned at the federal level. The implications go far beyond Anthropic. Every AI company is watching this closely. This is only the beginning of AI regulation. Governments are going to keep moving on frontier models. Follow AI Drops for updates as this develops. Drop a comment below, did you lose access today? And subscribe, so you don't miss what comes next.